have a problem because my watch is on this red lightning bolt mode. So I'm trying to turn in this on together. It doesn't shows. See, still go back on that side. So maybe I will try to charge this one. I've been trying this like for 5 minutes now, but it doesn't show up the logo. I tried go online to see everything that's like shooting, but it's just say alright, it doesn't work. It doesn't really work. My hands hurt pressing this one, so I don't know what happened this one, but maybe it's a battery low. I might just have to charge this one, but I was just using this yesterday. I will try to charge this one and see if it will go back. Otherwise I need to go back to Apple shop and have this one fixed. It's very new and this is quite expensive, so I don't know what happened. This one I was supposed to do my daily skip rope using my Apple Watch, but it's not working. I'm so worried why it become like this. So I'll keep you updated later, guys. I hope this one will work well. So guys, this red lightning bolt appears when the battery reaches to low level charge because the power reserve mode is on, and it says you have to press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo, but it didn't show up until my finger hurt, so I decided to stop charge it because I was thinking it was just battery low. Yes, let me see this one. I think it's full charge now. It's indicating full charge, so let's see if it's working. I was so worried that, oh, there you go. I can show you. I'm going to show you the password. Oh, there you go. It's working now. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so beautiful of me. Coming. Okay guys, I think it was just about battery low, so in case you experience this kind of in case you encounter this kind of situation on your Apple Watch, whatever series it is, this one is the Apple Watch series 5, I think. Just charge it and then wait until it gets fully charged, so I think it will go back to the normal. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It will be helpful. Actually, Alright guys, my problem is solved. I can do my workout again, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and find this video a little bit helpful, and hope to see you again on the next video. I love you so much guys, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.